All right, this is the weekly and I guess my Friday analysis on November 24th. It would have been the 22nd, was the Friday trading day. Was another choppy day, inside day on the NQ, which you would expect some chop on that. I didn't trade my funded accounts. I did mess around uh, with my combine and ended up down $300. It was stupid, stupid trades. I mean, I don't know, it's just forcing stuff, trying to get it passed, which was dumb. And on that inside day, yeah, if you look, so there's the 5 minute and the open here. There was news at 8:45 and 9, so it's kind of like, okay, do we get into a trade? It was pretty choppy push up here and then choppy down. You could have probably caught a pretty good short in here. I don't know, but so then it set this, big broadening formation right at up through 9:30, and then the rest of the day stayed in there. So inside day, you got to expect that, and I should have been looking for that because you can see it kind of those weren't there. That's the end of the day, but pushed up. Here was this early broadening formation, and then kind of capped things that tried to test that, fell back through, and then ended up there. You can see it's gapping up today. I'm late doing this because the wife and I were getting ready for Thanksgiving, doing a lot of work this weekend on cleaning the house, prepping things, pulling out decorations, all that stuff. You can see right now that it's expanding the broadening formation. So gapped up and set in this broadening formation, and it's expanding it at the moment. Boom, broadening formation, expanding it. And they're still buying it. I'm not in a trade because I was not paying attention, and entry is gone now. So don't have to worry about that. Just have to have it in my mind that, if it is inside day, you're expecting a chop, it's, Friday, you got it, you can make some scalps off the lows and the highs. So there was some good movement here and here on these 5 minutes, and boom, you're done. Make an easy $300 to $500, call it a day. So now for this week, it's already broke out of here, or the month. Oh, I guess the month is still green. The quarter is green, but and it's a failed 2 at the moment, but still green, and the month is green, and it's two up continuation. So still looking for longs. As you can look, everything is driving 5, 15, 30, 60. 2 hour, 4 hour day, week, month, everything is driving green at the moment. So that is longs, and it is this is almost an inside day. It peaked down and came up, so this is a two down, 2 up actually signal. So that as long as we're above there, you could go after longs, and with a weekly target up here. So that's kind of where my focus will be as long as we stay above that high target on the week. And this is the trigger. Whoops, not what I wanted to happen. I guess that's the buy trigger on the week. So we're up above there. There's a day there, day. So if it gets up into here, it could pivot machine gun all these. I wouldn't expect it all tomorrow, but as you know, a lot of times holiday weeks just kind of drift up. We'll just have to see what happens there. And ES probably in the same boat. Yeah, 2 down, 2 up, whatever. It's closer to taking this, so its target's a lot closer. ES might be better to trade. And now, oh, and speaking of that, instead of trading the instead of trading the NASDAQ on Friday, I should have been in the Russell. And I'll show you. I have this. I have this thing that I watch. So this is a 30-minute chart of the SPY, the QQQs, and the Russell, and as you can see that. So this is the week, day, hour, and the 30-minute, kind of giving me a view of X-ray view of what's happening under the surface. And you can see that as far as like the day, the past 2 days, it's just screaming by here. And then both times I was looking here and it was pulling back. I'm like, oh, I should be trading the Russell. No, I tried it, and you get an entry and it never come back against you. Same way here, it was pulling back on the 30. I saw this was still staying green, and if you look, like only the 30 went red. The 60 stayed really green. Day was green. Week was green. I should have been doing that. You could just nice easy trade, let it run up, and wait till it goes against you. So it was dumb on that, on trying to force stuff into the NQ. So I just need to be, well, whatever I say, follow it. Oh, shoot. Whatever I say, follow it. I didn't know I didn't have my thing on. Whatever I say, follow it. Okay. Anyway, enough of that. So the Russell, it's almost going to hit that. And it's in this broadening formation, and hitting that target. There could be a target up there. And the YM was also super strong, hit its daily target there. I need to probably get an X-ray vision of that also, to trade between those. Gold just kept its green every day, and then it hit its daily target there. Looks like it's reversing off that right now. And so we'll have to see. It looks like it poked up and it's coming down. So this could be a 3. I guess I'll be watching this for if it's going to come back through the range, and look for entries on that. I'll have to see what sets up. Not really prepared today. Bitcoin almost hit. What did I get? 99,860, $140 from 100,000, and then people started profit taking. It did break down. So I guess the day switches at 6 o'clock my time, which would be midnight, whatever. So it hit. It didn't go to daily magnitude. It broke this one, but well, it did. There's this magnitude, so it took that out, went down probably halfway, on this, and reversed. Looks like it's coming back down a little bit now. If you look at, there was some good setups. If you look at, let me go to the 5. on these down. So right here it broke down its broadening formations, and then down to the day trigger. Took that out, bounced up, came back down, stayed below this broadening formation, dropped down below this broadening formation, came and retested, went down. So there were multiple opportunities to trade this. I was programming this indicator this morning, and I was seeing this happening, and but unable to trade it because the futures aren't open until 17. Right. Oh, yeah. Blasted up. So then, it came in, put in a broadening formation right here, a tight one, and broke it, and then it tightened so I have a lower time frame broadening formation and a higher time frame broadening formation, and both of them tightened here. Kind of followed it and then blasted off into where it opened, into the futures open before it came down, and now it's below both of the broadening formations. Now, tighten the broadening formation here, so it's expanding, trying to expand it to the downside at the moment. I don't know. I don't want to trade right now as I'm doing this, but if there was a good entry, I might take it. Okay, and oil took out its daily trigger, kept going. It's now trying to expand this broadening formation. If it stays out of here, if it stays out of 70.37, looking for longs. If it comes back in, I'll be looking for it to come back through. And I guess that's all I have for the week. Not a very good deal today. I wasn't prepared, but hopefully I can get better at this.